To anyone,
Sir,
then they
have
will
you
ask
checked
me.
my notebook?
Who's Shreya? Shreya's notebook, I think, not checked till now. It will be checked.
Sir, today my
So have
notebook
you
is.
checked mine?
Sir, mine of 9, sir.
Sir, mine
Navnayan
is
not
not.
checked. Yuvraj Acharya not checked. Khushi Kumari's notebook, I
Mine,
think I have checked.
Aditya Mehta.
I
Sir,
have checked
my sir
and
Aman
returned. Aditya
Bharadwaj.
Mishra's copies also I had checked and returned.
Sir, of 9,
Just a
sir.
minute.
Sir, my
Navnayan not
Aryan
checked.
Kumar.
No, no. When it will be checked, okay, of
Sir,
course,
Nancy.
you will be getting back. Nancy's
Sir,
copies
Aman Bharadwaj.
also, I think yesterday I have checked. Yes, yesterday I had checked Nancy's copy, maybe.
Sir,
And
Sir,
mine
okay,
mine.
I'm
also.
not remembering everyone's copy's name, okay, exactly.
Sir,
So
in
now let's,
exercise 6.1, sir, in
yes,
the six questions, so some answers are not given, sir, like,
okay, no
and
problem.
some are incorrect.
Some are incorrect. I think I had discussed all the questions, is it? Or not?
Sir, which chapter, sir?
6.1, question number 6. Few
Yes,
answers are
sir.
given and few answers were missing. And some answers are not matching also.
In many questions, sir, not only in 6.
Yes,
Sir.
sir,
Yes.
but I got this book, sir.
Huh? Boycott this book.
Sir, boycott this book, sir. It's a very bad
Okay.
book. All answers are wrong.
All answers are not wrong. Don't say all answers. A few answers you can say. Okay.
The printing mistake might be there.
Petitions would be signed.
Petition should be signed. Yes.
No, sir,
Okay.
it might be printing mistake.
If that mistakes are done knowingly, so that students should consult to teacher once. Understood? And that will be in concern of teacher also and student also, that these answers are wrong. If any students depends only on answer, then they may be wrong. Some students are there who copies answers. So now let's see here, we will be reading about examples, okay? If no doubts are over there. Last day I had just explained you about this Neha's salaries, is it?
Yes, sir, Neha sir
Yes,
is
sir.
done, sir.
Yes, sir.
One method is over here by assuming x, and one method I had explained by taking 100 here. If you will see here also the same method, it has been shown alternatively. Next page. Now let's see example number 6. In a game of cricket, Amit scored 12 runs more than Ashwin. If Ashwin scored 45% of the total score, okay, by both of them, what both of them had scored, out of that 45%, it has been scored by whom? Ashwin. Find total runs scored by the two and also their individual score. So at first what we will do is, here it has been understood, okay, of course total always is 100. So here 45% of total score is scored by, run is scored by Ashwin. Therefore Amit scores how much? 55%. That means 10% more runs, okay, than Ashwin. Now 10% of total run is scored by both of them is equal to 12. 10% more he has scored, and that 10% is equal to 12 marks. Getting it? So now
No,
10%
not
of x is equal to 12
Sir,
has been
one
done.
time more explain, na, sir, again, sir.
explain, no, sir. Not
Just
able to
see,
understand.
total score 45%. Okay, run has been scored by Ashwin. So two players are only there. So remaining, okay, next player scored how much? Then 100 minus 45%, because total is always in percentage, total is always 100%. So 100 minus 45, that is 55%, is scored by whom? Amit. So how much more percent is scored by Amit? 10% more Amit has scored than Ashwin, and that 10% of total runs is only equal to 12. Yes, because in question it has been said 12 more runs. It has been said Amit scored 12 runs more than Ashwin and 10%
But
more than
sir, in
Ashwin. So
book it
10%
is
of
not
total
given.
number is equal to 12. Yes.
But sir, in book it is not given that they both have scored the total target. So how they can minus from 100,
Not
sir?
total target, not here. It has been said that you have to find the total run scored by both of them. Okay. So that means here total means what? Score of Amit and score of Ashwin. So as I had said in percentage, total means 100. And here, if 45% of the run has been scored by Ashwin, then remaining run from to form 100%. So if that is 55% of total run has been scored by whom? Amit. So Ashwin scored 45% and Amit scored 55%. What is the difference? 10% difference.
Sir, difference.
10% more than Ashwin Amit is scoring, and in question it has been said 12 runs more Amit is scoring. So 10% of total score is equal to 12. Getting it?
Yes, sir. Getting, sir.
So that after it has been written, let the total number of runs scored be x, then 10% of x is equal to 12, that is 10 by 100 into x is equal to 12. And when this, okay, 10 by 100 goes into another side, then it will become 12 into 100 by 10. So of course that is 12 into 10 is 120, as it has been written over here. So total score scored by both of them is 120, and it has been also said to find their individual scores. So now 45% of 120 and 55% of 120 you will be finding out. So here Amit score is 55% of 120, that means 55 by 100 into 120, that is 66, and Ashwin score 120 minus 66, that is 54. It can be done, or even you can do 45 by 100 into 120 and you will get 54. Is this clear? Example number 6.
Yes, sir.
Sir, answer is wrong, sir, in a question. Example number 6, sir. This Amit, if you will multiply, sir, 55 into 12, then it will not become, sir, 66, sir.
It is not coming. Okay, let's see. 1 0 1 0 got cancelled. 5 to the 10. Okay.
Yes, see,
6 to the 12. Then after 5 11 the 55. And 11 6 the 66. It is coming. How you are calculating?
Correct, sir.
Yes,
Oh, that,
correct.
sir, I thought, sir, there is 2 0. Okay, sir, understood.
Clear? Now we will be moving towards example 7 then. If we will see example 7, here it has been said the price of salt has decreased by 10%. Okay, and the consumption of salt in family is increased by 8%. Price fell down by 10%. So the person started eating more salt. Is it? Has the overall expenditure of salt increased or decreased by what percent? Now here it is saying what is the increment or decrement in overall expenditure of salt. Okay. So the see over here, 10% price has been fallen. So how it has been done? Let the initial requirement of salt be 1 kg. Of course, here it has been assumed. Okay, earlier only 1 kg salt was used, and its price was 100 per kg. Okay, it has been assumed. Okay, it is not that 1 kg only they were using, and if the price was 100 per kg only. It has been assumed to solve the question. Now, if initial expenditure will become how much then? If 1 kg only is using, then 100 rupees. If its price falls by 10%, that means 10% of 100 is 10 rupees. Original price 100 rupees. So 100 minus 10% of 100, it has been done, that is 10 rupees. So 100 minus 10, it has been done, and it becomes 90 rupees. Just for a second. So it became 90 rupees. Price fell down by 10%. Now consumption increased by 8%. So earlier he was using 1 kg. So now he will use how much? 1 kg plus 8% of 1 kg. That means 8 by 100 of 1 kg. That is 1.008 kg. That means, sorry, 1.08 kg. Okay. Got it up to here? Now 1 kg price is 90 rupees. So 1.08 kg price will be how much? So it has been done over here, if you will see. Thus, increased consumption of salt is equal to 1.08 kg. Expenditure on salt now is rupees 90 into 1.08. With kg it has been multiplied. It came 97.20. So now what happened? From earlier 2 rupees 80 paisa, less expenditure is there. So there is decrease in expenditure. And percentage of decrease in expenditure means decrease in expenditure by earlier expenditure. That is 100 rupees he was expending for 1 kg. So 2.80 by 100 into 100%. So it will come 2.8%.
Again explain, no?
Not understood. Okay. So again I am explaining the C. It has been assumed that at first the amount of salt used by family was 1 kg. Okay. And the price of salt per kg was 100 rupees. Okay. As the price of salt decreases by 10%. So from 100, 10% of original price has been subtracted. That means 100 minus 10 by 100 into 100. 10% means 10, and percentage when removed comes below 100, and off means multiply, and original price is 100. So 100 got cancelled. It becomes 100 minus 10, that is rupees 90 per kg now becomes after reducing of 10%. Okay. Earlier the family used to use 1 kg. But the consumption, in question only it has been said, the consumption has increased by 8%. Okay. So what will happen? Now new consumption will be original consumption plus 8% of original consumption. Because it is increasing. Yes.
Sir, we can't do directly, sir. 90 plus 8, then 98.
No, 90% is the price, not consumption. And consumption was 1 kg. So in 1 kg, 8% of 1 kg will be added. So 8 by 100 half means multiply, and 1 it has been done. It comes 0.08. So 1 plus 0.08 kg will become 1.08 kg. And then 1.08 kg price has been found with reduced price, that is 1.08 into rupees 90 it has been done, and it came 97.20. So there is decrease in consumption amount, not consumption. Consumption amount has been decreased by rupees 2.80. Okay. So percentage of decrease in amount is equal to, or decrease in expenditure is equal to decrease in expenditure by initial expenditure into 100%. And of course, decrease in expenditure is rupees 2.80, initial expenditure rupees 100, rupees got cancelled, and then it has been multiplied by 100 also got cancelled. So it becomes 2.8% or 2.80% also you can write. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear, sir. Yes, sir, clear.
So while assuming of such things, of course, quantities are there, then you can use unit quantities. Monies are there, then you can use 100, or even unit also you can use, as on the basis of your convenience, or even x and y can be used. Okay. Now let's see example 8 then. In example 8 it has been said Archit has 2 boxes. Okay. Archit has 2 boxes with equal number of eclairs. Okay. His brother gives him additional 20% of eclair in one box. Okay. 2 boxes are there. In both 2 boxes there are equal number of eclairs, and his brother gives more 20% of eclairs in one box. Archit share 40% of additional eclairs to his friends and put the balance in the first box. Okay, and then after he then opens the second box and shares 40% of eclairs with his friends. His brother then replenishes the second box with 20% of eclairs that were left in it. What percentage of increase or decrease of original number of eclair in each box? Okay, so there are many boxes, 1 box and 2 box, of course, and in first box, okay, 20% added. But it has been said Archit has 2 boxes with equal number of eclairs. That means in both the boxes, number of eclairs are same. And then after his brother has given 20% of eclairs in one box. In one box, that means from the 2 box, in one box, his brother has, okay, given 20% extra eclairs for that box. From that 20% extra eclairs, Archit share 40% of these, okay, additional eclairs with his friend, and the balance in the first box, and remaining he kept it in the first box. He then opens second box and share 40% of eclairs in the box with his friend. From there, from second box, 40% eclairs has been shared, and again his brother then gives 20% eclairs. Keep the 20% of eclairs that were left in it. His brother then replenishes the second box with 20% of eclairs were left in it. Okay, that means what percentage of increase or decrease original number of eclairs in each box? So let's see the solution. In both the boxes, how many percentage? Okay, here it has also said also to find in percentage only, increase or decrease of original number in eclairs. So just see, any numbers it has not been given, but it has been assumed. Let the number of eclairs in the box be x, sorry, 100. Then 20% of 100 is 20 eclairs. So 20% extra he got, that means 20 eclairs he got. From that he share 40% to his friend, so 40 by 100 into 20, because he is sharing 40% of additional eclairs only. So additional eclairs is 20%, which has been given by his brother. So 8 he has shared and 12 he has kept in his first box. So in first box altogether 112 eclairs are there, or in percentage if you have to say, then in original there was 100 and now 12 it has been added, so it becomes how much percentage increment? Increased amount is 12 by original amount 100 into 100%. So of course it will become 12%. So in first box 12% eclairs were increased. Clear this? Yes?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
all listening me? Okay. So now let's see second box. In second box also, of course, it has been assumed 100. Now here from second box, earlier only he just share 40 eclairs to his friend. So now left 60. Archit brother adds 20% of the remaining eclairs. That means 60 it was there. So 20% of 60, okay, his brother added in second What say? Box also. So altogether in second box it will become 60 plus 12, that is 72 eclairs. The number of eclairs less than original, how much less it is? Earlier it was 100 and 100 minus 72, that is 28. So 21 it is less, so here it has been decreased. So here decreased percentage is equal to percentage of decrease in the number of eclairs is equal to decreased amount by original amount. So 28 it has been decreased, so 28 by 100 into 100%, that means 28%. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
डीजे बजे ने
Sir, explain
just
the
unmute
first
it.
box.
Huh?
Aryan, sir. Aryan.
Sir, I didn't understand first
Aryan.
box. How first box was completed.
Okay, I'll come towards that also.
second box
And
second box
second box also I'll be explaining once again. Aryan,
the very hard question.
No, sir. Seems to be hard, sir, but not hard, sir.
yes, it seems to be hard. What happens? Math is such a subject, until you do not understand, of course, easy question also becomes too much hard. And when you understand, then you will find, okay, hard question also becomes too much easy.
Yes, sir.
So what happens? Here it has been said that in first box, okay, at first, okay, Archit brother had given him 2 box, which has equal number of what? Eclairs. And after that, he has given 20% more for first box. From this extra 20%, he had just shared 40% of eclairs with his friend. That means now what it has been done, at first it has been assumed let the number of eclairs in the box be 100. Okay, 100 it has been assumed. From there 20% more Archit, okay, brother has given, that means 20% of 100 means 20 by 100 into 100. 100 it will be cancelled, that means 20 eclairs only more he had got. And from that 20 he has been given 40% to his brother, sorry, not brother, friend. So 40% means 40 by 100 into 20. So it has been calculated, of course 1010 it will be cancelled, and 1010 over here also it will be cancelled, so 4 to the 8. Yes?
Why 20? 40 by 100 into 20.
Okay, 20% more his brother gives him. So 20% of how much? 20% of total quantity in the box. So earlier it was 100. So 20 more given, then it becomes 120. And from
Yes.
that more only he has just given 40%, not from total. From the extra got eclair, he had given 40% to his friend. So 40 by 100 into 20 it has been done, and it became 8. Okay. So it becomes 20 minus 8, that is 12. And 100 plus 12 it will become, because earlier in box there was 100, and remaining what after it has been left after giving to his friend, he has kept it in original box itself. So 100 plus 12 it became 112. Clear now?
Sir,
Yes,
means that
sir.
eight that the number of chocolates were shared.
Yes, 8 chocolates were shared. 40% of 20 is 8.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Understood. Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
in
sir.
second box what happens? 100 he had given, and from that 100 only he shared at first 40%. So 40% of 100 means 40 by 100 into x. Okay, that is 40. So 40 chocolates he had shared. Now what is left in the box is 60 chocolates, and Okay, Archit brother add their 20% of the remaining eclairs. That means remaining it was 60, so 20% of 60 he had given more. So 20% of 60 it has been found. Okay, and 1010 got cancelled, and same way 1010 got cancelled over here. So 6 to the 12. So it becomes 12 eclairs in the box. He has been added by his brother again. So what will happen? 60 plus 12 it will become 72. Okay, so now here what it has been, earlier there was 100 and now there is 72, so there it has been decrement in the number of eclairs, and decreased number is how much? 100 minus 72, that is 28. So decreased percentage of eclairs will become decreased amount by original amount into 100%. So decreased amount is 28, original amount 100 into 100%. So that 100 got cancelled and 28% becomes the answer. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
clear.
I'll go towards
Yes, sir.
and next page. If you will see, here are few more questions, and after that there is try this section. So if you will see here it is, okay, directly question comes, then before that also there was question, is it? Yes, 9 number, here it is.
Yes.
A's income is 60% of B's income. That means what B is earning, that's 60% only A is earning. If B is earning 100, then A is earning 60 rupees. And here it has been said B's income is 50% more than 100. Sorry, C. So if C is earning, suppose 100, then B will earn 150. Got it?
So first here we will assume C's income, sir, not A, sir.
Yes. You can assume the smallest one. So C, if we will assume, then if
Sir,
C is
B's
100,
income will be
then B's
50,
income will
no?
become 150. Yes?
So B's income will be
The
X by
B's
2.
income will be 50
50. Okay, let's see how
because
it has
it
been
is
assumed.
written
That depends upon
50% of C's
our
income.
assumption. That depends upon our assumption. We can assume number also, and even we can assume X, Y, Z also. So let's see what it has been done over here in this example. What percent of C's income is A's income? That means A's income and C's income need to compare over here. It is saying what percent of C's income is A's income. That means with C, A's income should be compared. So let's see what it has been done over here. Here it has been done. If, and next question is also there, B's question is also there. If C's income is 20,000, then find the income of A and B. So at first what it has been done, assumed. It has been assumed by taking X. Okay. So when C's income is assumed as X, then B's income will become X plus 50% of X, because B's income is 50%. Okay, Ali said 50% or 50% more it has been said. Let me see.
50% only, sir. That only I was telling.
Okay, 50% only it has been said. Yes. Yes, it has been said B's income is 50% of C's income. Okay. So if C's income will be 100, then B's income will become 50 only. Yes, not 150. So here it has been done 15% of X, that is 50 by 100 into X, that means X by 2 is the income of B. And A's income is 60% more than B's income. So X by 2 plus 60 by 100 of X by 2.
No, sir. Again, here 60% of B only, sir.
Okay,
Not
here also not more
increased.
given. Okay, sorry. Okay. It has been said A's income is 60% of B's income, not more than 60%. Only 60% it has been said. So of course 60 by 100 into X by 2 it has been done, and it comes 30% of X. That is 3X by 10 also it can be written. Now, it has been asked what is the A's income in percentage. So A's income is 30% of C's income, because at last A's income comes only 30% of X. Okay, and earlier C's income is X. So of course A's income will become how much? 30% of C's income. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we will come towards question number B. If C's income is 20,000, then B's income is 50% of 20,000. That is 50 by 100 into 20,000. It will become 10,000. And A's income is 60% of B's income. So 60 by 100 into 10,000. That is 6,000.
Sir,
A's income is increased by yes.
sir, then like this, sir, we can't solve solution A.
Solution A, no, because there was no money. So we had assumed X. Of course, if you want to assume as there, okay, it has been asked also percentage, then you can assume there also 100 rupees. Let
Okay, sir, okay.
X earns 100 rupees. In that case, you can do. Now, after that, when A's income is 30% of C's income, that means 30 by 100 into 2,000. Of course, that also comes 6,000 only. So what happens? A's income is 6,000 and B's income is 10,000 and C's income, of course, it has been given in question only, that is 20,000. So is this question number B clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if you will see Pavan, okay, no, not Pavan,
Sir.
here it has been example 10, yes.
Sir, I have read somewhere that X% of Y equals Y% of X. Is this correct, sir?
Yes, sir. In RS Agrawal it is, sir.
It can be happened, okay, X% of Y can be, okay, Y% of X.
How, sir?
Like just see, if how it will be asked, there is a particular number. If I'll say 10% of 100 and 100% of 10, okay, that is not proper.
No, sir, it is not proper, sir.
It is not proper. It will not be both equal. That you have to find only, okay, what will be the value, like X% of Y it has been said. So you can write X% by, okay, of Y is equal to Y% of X. So if you will
Yes,
solve,
sir.
okay, this is the question. Yes, and what it has been said, find the value of X and Y.
No, sir, it is said to prove. Is this correct, sir? In our book also this note given, sir. So you are solving
Okay.
there in that also given.
Is this okay? You are saying correct or not? So let's see. X% of Y. Suppose that means X by 100. Of means multiply. Then Y. It will become XY by 100. Yes. And in same way,
Yes,
if you will do XY by 100, then that is right only. Of course, it will come. If you will see here also, then Y by 100 into X. Same thing it is. That will also become XY by 100 only. Hence proved both sides are equal. Got
sir,
it?
then it can work in practical, sir.
Yes, in
With
practical
numbers.
also it can work.
Yes, sir. It can work, sir. That 10% of 100 is equal to 10 only, sir. And 100% of 10 also same.
Yes. 10 only it is coming. 100% of 10 is also 10. So now if you will see over here, it has been said among Ravi, Salma and Pawan, 150 sweets were distributed. Ravi gets 25% of Salma gets and Salma gets 80% of Pawan gets. That means what Pawan gets, 80% is being got by Salma. And what Salma gets, 25% of that it has been got by
25%.
Ravi. Yes?
Yes,
So how
sir.
many sweets,
Yes, sir.
what percentage of Pawan sweet will Ravi get? Now here it has been said what the percentage does the Ravi got. How many sweets will Ravi, Salma and Pawan get? That means individually also each of them how much they will be getting. Let the number of sweets. Now how to make? Of course it has been assumed let the number of sweets be X and
So same as
number
the
of
last
sweets
question, no, sir?
same as last question. Yeah. Yes. Here also not more or less it has been said directly. It has been given percentage only. So number of sweets with Salma will become 80% of x, that is 80x by 100, and it has, I think it has been minimized also over here, or not, let me see.
Sir, here we can't take numbers, sir.
Of course we can take number, 100 we can take. So it will become 4 by 5x, that is number of sweets with Ravi.
Sir, but total,
Yes.
sir, but total number of sweets is given, sir, 150. Then also we can take, sir.
Okay, 150 it has been given. Okay, if it has been given, then we will not be assuming. Then it will be coming different. Okay, here it is, total number is 150, so we can't assume now. Yes, of course, here we will not assume. Where there isn't, then we will be assuming that let there be 100, okay, sweets. And it has been said what? To find what? How many sweets each got, not in percent. So there we can't assume, okay. So now what happens over here? 4 by 5x, okay, as it has been solved. Okay, at the end of the page you can see that is number of sweets with Salma is 4 by 5 of x, and after that number of sweets with Ravi means 25% of the sweet with Salma. Then Salma has got how much? 4 by 5x, so 25 by 100 into 4 by 5x. Okay, and while solving, if you will see, 25 for the 100 it will become, so this it has been cancelled, okay, 25 for the 100, 4 5 the 20, so it becomes 4x by 20, or 20% of x it can be written. Yes, that can be also written. Thus Ravi got 20% of the sweets that Pawan gets. Total number of sweets is equal to 550. Sorry, total number of sweets is equal to 150, sorry. So after that, number of sweets with Ravi, number of sweets with Salma, and number of sweets with Pawan is 150. So x plus 4 by x plus 20 by 100x is equal to 150, because this is the all three numbers of sweets. Now take an LCM, nothing below is there ones, and so 1, 5 and 100 LCM, it will become 100. Okay, and then after we will be solving.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Okay, as I can see, we are near the time also. And of course, by doing this, 20% of at first x value it has been found by taking LCM. Okay, I hope you all can understand this. 5 5 25, and then fraction 8 all of you are knowing, yes. So this line all of you had understood or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Let's say me this.
Yes,
Last
sir.
line. All of you had understood
Yes,
this?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Not understood? So
Understood,
just see what happened
sir.
here. Of course, x has been taken common, and what it has been left, that it came inside the bracket. Okay, in form of multiples of x. Like, if you will see over here, then what it has been done? Okay, number of sweets with Pawan, it has been assumed x, so 75, x value came 75, and then after with Salma, so 4 by 5x it was, so 4 by 5 into 75, it has been done 60, and with Ravi, there is 20% of 75, that is 15. Got it?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear? So tomorrow you all will be doing this, try this section of page number, which? 1118. Okay? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
And after that there is 9.1 exercise also. That also you will try to do, and luckily you are getting these exercises on Sunday itself. So I hope you all will be able to make up to question number 20. Is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Little bit
And whatever
problem
the
was
doubt will be there, that we will be okay discussing on Monday, and then we will be
What's a
moving
copies
forward.
you
And
are
I
having,
think this
sir?
time
Copy
I
is
had
in
said earlier
school.
itself that if copy is in school, what you will be doing? You will be doing in next copy. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So there are
You
altogether
told
3
us.
exercises. I think this time again one
sir.
chapter will be late.
Sir, I
Yes.
have done page number. Sir, I have done try this page number 118, sir, and I got one problem also, sir, in question number 3.
3. Okay. So what is there in question number 3?
Page number 118, sir.
Page number 118. Question number 3. Neha studied for 1.5 hours more than the Cherry. Okay, more than Cherry. If Cherry studied 40% of the total time, okay, of them spent by studying, find the total number of hours the two of them studied. Okay. Also find the number of hours each of them studied. So Neha studied 1 by 2 hour more than Cherry, and Cherry studied 40% of the total time. That means so difference is over here how much? 20%. You can say okay. Percentage of time studied by Neha is equal to 100 minus 40%, that is equal to 60%. Let the total time be x, then 60% of okay. Then 20% of x is equal to 1 by 2 hours, because how much more he had read? 20% more. And when you will be solving it, then you will be getting okay
So solve
the answer. Okay,
one time, sir.
45%. Okay, 45 minutes it will be. I'll be saying the answer. Okay, then after I'll be solving in next class, because the time we had already exceeded. So 45 minutes it will come. Let me see. Yes, 45 minutes it will come 10%, I think. Okay, so 20% is 1.5 hours. So 10% it will be 45 minutes. So 100% it will become 450 minutes. 450 means 8 6 are 48. So it will become 7.5 hours. Both of them
Yes,
had
sir.
studied
How you
together
found,
7.5 hours.
How you
And then
found?
after from that only I am saying 20% you will be doing. 20% of total time is equal to 1.5 hour you will do.
Sir, we will convert 1.5 hour into minutes.
Yes, minutes if you will do, then it will become easy for you. You will get that okay, 1% is equal to or 10% is equal to 45 minutes you will be getting. Then you can do 100% is equal to 420 minutes, and then you will convert it into hour. Then it will become 7 hours 30 minutes or 7.5 hours. And after that again, what you will be doing is you have to find their separates also. So from 7.5 hour you will subtract 1.5 hour. Then you will get 6 hour. Half of that will be studied by Cherry. So you can say Cherry studied 3 hour and Neha studied 4.5 hour. I think all three
Yes,
answer
sir.
matched. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
This
did
Yes,
you
is
sir.
understood how to make
no,
or
sir.
not?
Yes,
No, sir.
sir.
No problem. Then in next class I will be explaining, or let me explain. Let it be explained here itself. You can write here in short. I am explaining here. Okay, writing also there is little bit difficulty. Here difference here you can say at first Neha studies time percent is equal to STUDIES. Okay, sorry, studies time percent is equal to 100% minus 40% is equal to 60%. Let the total time be x. Let the total Okay, writing also the total time be x hours, then 20% of x is equal to 1 by 2 hours. If I will not change also, then also I think it will be coming in minute. If I will not change, then it will become x is equal to, there it is 20 by 100. When it will go that side, it will become 100 by 20. Again writing difficulty is there. So x is equal to 2 and 2 and 3 by 2 into 100 by 20 hours. Now 1010 got cancelled and it will become 30 by 4 hours. Is it 2 to the 4? Even it can be done like this, 2 5 the 10. So 15 by 2 also it can be written, and 15 by 2 is 7 1 by 2 hours. Now okay, study time of Neha, and another was what?
Cherry.
So you
Cherries.
can say now study time of Cherry is equal to 7 1 by 2 minus 1 1 by 2 divided by 2 hours. Do you know why I had subtracted 1 by 2, 1 by 2
Yes,
and
sir,
again
because
dividing by 2?
Sir, because rest time will be studied by Cherry, sir.
There is difference of 1.5 hours. So when we will subtract 1.5 hours, then it will come equal timing of both. So that is 6 hours, both of them has studied. So when we will divide 6 hours with 2, then we will be getting study of Cherry, that is 3 hours. Got it?
Sir, but
And when in this
minus
3,
you have done, sir. So why you have
because
minus?
that much is more, that much more Neha is studying. So if I'll remove the more time of Neha, then it will come equal for both. So for getting of 1, you will be dividing it with 2.
Yes, sir.
Getting
Yes,
it?
sir.
And then you will write study time of Neha is equal to 3 hours plus 1 by 2 hours. That is equal to 4.5 hours. Happened. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
you will be able
Understood.
to write now.
So little bit to minimize, sir. I will take a screenshot, sir.
Okay, I am minimizing it. Okay, in short, I had explained. Taken. Study time of, okay, writing problem, of course. Of Neha is equal to 3 hours plus 1 by 2 hours is equal to 4.5 hours. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now I'll take fastly the attendance, and then after I'll be ending the class. So I just downloaded your attendance. Let me see either it has been downloaded or not. Of course it is showing 6 KB. Of course everyone's name is over here. And now then I'll be stopping recording. Okay.